Measles on the rise across the country and globally, and North Carolina has its first reported case in 6 years. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Russ Bowen.
And I'm Liz Ortiz. The confirmed case is a child in Mecklenburg County. CBS 17's Mary Smith joins us live in Wake County after speaking with health officials. Mary.
Yeah, like you said, this is the first reported case in the state since 2018. Health officials are pointing to the vaccine as a way for parents to keep their kids safe. For the first time since 2018, a reported case of measles in the state of North Carolina. According to the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, the child's parents kept them at home after returning to North Carolina from traveling abroad, with the exception of one medical visit. DHHS says it's working with Mecklenburg County and the CDC to notify those who may have been exposed. And the child's travels did not involve any airports in North Carolina. The department tells CBS 17 the child did not require hospitalization and is recovering at home. According to data from the CDC, since the pandemic, parents filing for vaccine exemptions have gone up to about 3%.
We are always on the lookout for measles cases. Measles was eradicated from the United States back in 2000, and now that we've seen a decrease in immunization rates, we're seeing again cases.
The last reported case of measles in Wake County was in 2016. When looking at its immunization rates in 2023, 92% of kindergartners were considered up to date on all vaccines. According to immunization coverage estimates from the CDC, in North Carolina, 94% of kindergartners were up to date on their MMR vaccine for the 2022-2023 school year, compared to 93% nationally.
The MMR vaccine is 97% effective with 2 doses, and so we encourage all kids across Wake County and the country to have their 2-dose series.
I know my grandchildren are vaccinated.
Grape jelly with peanut butter in it.
Raleigh grandmother Susan Mayers says reports of cases of measles on the rise nationally and globally is concerning.
Well, I wouldn't want them to get anything. You never want them to suffer or hurt.
And the Department of Health and Human Services says at this time there are no other suspected cases in the state. Live in Raleigh, Mary Smith, CBS 17 News.